Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel 6a for Straight Talk. So the Pixel 6a is now here at Straight Talk for $299.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget Pixel device, the Pixel 6a is worth checking out here. Also, the Pixel 6a is now available in a white color. I think Google calls it Stormy White. I believe that's what Google calls it. So yeah. So this is the Pixel 6a. So this is a budget Pixel device, so keep it in mind. So you guys get your whole bunch of your front-facing camera there, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there, in display, fingerprint sensor. So that's very nice. Right side power button, volume keys. There's the back of the Pixel 6a, two-tone color finish there. Google logo, your dual camera setup there, camera flash. I am a big fan of the Pixel 6 design. I am a big fan of it. So great design and all that. Yeah. You guys can also pay monthly for the Pixel 6a at $12.50 a month for 24 months if you guys want to do that, or $299.99 for retail price there. Alright. Smart, powerful, helpful, and less than you think. Meet the Google Pixel 6a. The more affordable, super fast, and secure Google phone. It's powered by Google Tensor for fast It's powered by Google Tensor for fast performance, and with an adaptive battery that can last over 24 hours, top-rated security and water resistance. It's designed around you and your busy lifestyle, inside and out. So there's the front there, right side and back specs. Of course, it has 5G. Of course, it will be using Verizon 5G. Of course, Wi-Fi 802.11ax, Wi-Fi 6E support as well. Bluetooth 5.2. You also have NFC, so you can do Google Pay on here. So very nice. Dimensions are 6 inches height, 2.8 inches width and 0.35 inches depth. Display 6.1 inches. Full HD plus OLED display. That is a 60 Hz display, so your standard display there. So nothing special about the display right there. So you do get a 60 Hz display there, so keep it in mind. 12 megapixel, 12.2 megapixel dual pixel wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide cameras on the right, 8 megapixel front camera. Battery 14 hours on 4G and 22 hours on 5G. Bluetooth 5.2. Processor is a Google Tensor processor. It has a Titan M2 security co-processor. 5 years of security updates, which is very nice. GPS, hand talk time. 6 GB of DDR5 RAM and 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. And the Google Pixel 6a weighs 6.3 ounces. Right. What comes in the box is a Pixel 6a, Type-C to Type-C cable, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, and a SIM ejection tool. More features: Google Tensor. Our processor unlocks advanced capabilities, making Pixel 6a more helpful and personal. Live Translate. Chat in up to 11 languages and read signs and documents in up to 55, even when offline. Face on blur. Pixel 6a can automatically sharpen faces for a less blurry photo. Full tone. Portraits on Pixel 6a represent different skin tones beautifully and authentically. IP67 resistance. Pixel 6a is resistant to water and dust, so you don't have to worry about splashes. Adaptive battery. Machine learning helps your battery last beyond 24 hours by prioritizing the apps you use most. Magic Eraser. Remove distractions from the background of images with a few taps in Google Photos, Night Sight. Take detailed photos in the dark without a flash. Titan M2 security code processor. Our latest security chip securely stores your pins and passwords. 5 years of security updates. Pixel 6a gets more secure over time, updating to deal with constantly evolving security risk. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The Pixel 6a is now here at Straight Talk for $299.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget Pixel, the Pixel 6a is worth taking a look at here. The specs on here are pretty good. Keep in mind that you do have a 60 Hz display, so keep it in mind. Yeah, that's like the only thing I don't like about the phone is the 60 Hz display. But other than that, the phone is good for what it is. A budget Pixel, you can't go wrong with it. For $300, you cannot go wrong. 5G smartphone for $300, you can't go wrong with that. And you get 5 years of security updates, so that's a win. That's a major win. So yeah. So you guys have it. Pixel 6a now available at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.